Well, alrighty, so gonna have a look at children. Oh, if my thing is working. There we go. Children.org. There it is. Okay. Nice. Alright. Quick scroll down. Okay, so first thing I am seeing on here is the top navigation. Looks a little bit overwhelming. There's too many links in here, I would say. Straight away. I'm not sure about the links being on separate lines. About us, so you've got a bunch of orphan text here. About us, make difference, orphan text, impact, orphan text. Yeah, so these should be on one line. I would reduce the amount of links in here. Have a look at your analytics and see which ones are the most important links and reduce those. Probably see our impact, make a difference, and about us. Just 3 links all on one line, not on dual lines. There's a little bit, the spacing above here and below here are different, and that's kind of my OCD, but they need to be the same spacing here and here just to make it all look nice and balanced. It kind of feels like these links have been added in after the design, and therefore making it a little bit cramped. It wasn't designed like this, but these have been added in later, maybe 2 or 3 of them on new links. And then we've got give, sponsor. So I'm not sure what you want me to do, the hierarchy of these buttons, which one is the most important. I'm thinking give, sponsor are the most important. So login doesn't need the box, doesn't need the yellow background. It could be up here next to contact us, simple text link, login. These could be bigger, 2 buttons here, bigger, and the little search box, I mean, that could probably stay next to it, or it could go to the far right hand side. Giving more space for these elements here. Nice logo. Looks like a nicely designed site. Let's have a quick look at the alignment. Alignment's nice there. Yeah, it's all great. Down to the footer. Footer looks a little bit complex, but let's have a quick look through. Going into the hero page, so we've got create hope, which is great strapline. I know exactly what they want me to do. I know exactly what they're thinking. We're creating hope for a child living in poverty today. Immediately you've got a call to action to find a child. You've got country, gender, age. So that is brilliant. So simple and so effective, I think, for websites when they are real simple messaging. Create hope. That is what you are doing when you get involved. Nice, compelling image. No video. Just a still, compelling image. I mean, probably not the clearest photograph, but still compelling, Let's have a quick look down. You can help end poverty for good by sponsoring a child, which is great. I'd like to do that. How can I do that? Growing up in poverty, children face tough challenges. How can I do that? It's not really telling me, but it's got a good problem statement here. But with charity from people like you, we can help healthcare, education, life skills, job readiness, training, confidence to create lasting change in their lives. It's a little bit wordy for me. It could be cut down to a bit less. You're telling me I can help poverty for good by sponsoring a child, so you've put the problem there, which is nice, and then you put the solution by sponsoring a child, a little bit of more description, but it's just a tiny bit wordy. Great call to actions here. Sponsor a child. See how sponsorship works. It's not just a read more or learn more. So you've gone into details. Great for people with sight impairments. Really good. More from our supporters. Great descriptive links. Great bit of social proof there. A little quote from Giovanni S., donor since 1999. Obviously been with them for a long time. Showing really great trust signals. That's good. But I think that's a little bit wordy. And I'm just going to go and check what reading level that is written for, because I don't think it's grade 9. I'm going to go to Hemingway. Anyway, let's paste it in there. Grade 15. It says a poor. So we need to aim for grade, I mean, it should be grade 9, really. It says 8 for grade 14. So yeah, it's got a poor readability. And if you ever want to use Hemingway, it will give you some tips on why it is poor readability. So 2 out of 3 sentences are hard to read. 2 out of 3. So yeah, I would have a look at fixing that, just making it easy to read. Where's the website? There it is. Let's keep going down. What we focus on, lasting impact, good that grows, poverty free. Nice icons here, I'm liking those little icons, 1, 2, 3. Nice little statements there. Great call to actions again. Explore our community centres, learn more about where we work. Children going into poverty are exposed to many additional stressors and negative influences. Your support during this vulnerable time helps children for the first 2 critical decades of their life. Yeah, this is okay. This is okay. What we focus on, it's good, it's simple. I know what I'm getting involved in. Again, good problem solution. Change your life today. Sponsor a child now. Good problem and solution focused. Good one-liners and headlines. Nice. This is obviously a child that I can sponsor. That's nice. Nice little video there. Child is waiting for sponsorship. So I'm getting the message, and it's all the way through the website. At each section, child is waiting for sponsorship. Search to find one now. At every section on the website, I'm getting the problem and I'm getting the solution. So that is, great structure, great thinking through. Committed to transparency. This is a good trust signal. So letting me know that I can trust them. Putting some logos in here. I think these are awards, and accreditations. So that is nice. Again, learn more about our transparency and accountability. Yeah, so it's great because you need to be able to trust your charity. So they should show that. Take a journey now. It's like a virtual tour, so that's nice. So you can get to know the project personally. It feels like there. And then you've got give, sponsor, trust. Again, really big trust signals. Give, sponsor, trust. That's exactly what they want you to do. They want you to trust them, they want you to give, and they want you to sponsor a child. Great. Learn more. That's probably the poorest button I've seen so far. It's not descriptive text. But in terms of the messaging here, it's clarity. 10 out of 10 I'd give it. It's great. 10 out of 10. Footer. It's okay. It's junk footer goes. It's fine. You've got a repeat of the accreditation and logos here. And it'd probably be worth moving social proof up. It's quite a small page, but it might be worth moving social proof up in the hierarchy. So you're bringing in trust signals earlier into the journey. But it's nice. Footer, I'm not sure about this indentation here, but I get why it's like that. I get it. Let's have a quick look at the mobile view. Let's have a quick look at the mobile. Well, that is beautiful. That is much better spacing around. These buttons kind of make a little bit more sense now. On the mobile view, you've got the picture there. Nice. The image is formatted nicely so the text falls below the face. That's nice, and it's all centralized. Find a child. Good big buttons for fingers to click on. Good clear call to action still. Different picture of a child that I can sponsor. That's great. And going down, nicer. It looks like this was designed mobile first, which is good practice actually, to design mobile first, because more people are browsing on their mobile phones than on desktop these days. So this is nicely designed for the mobile, and I like it. I like it a lot. Very nice. I'm just going to pop it in. Let's copy the web address, and I'm going to pop it in to PageSpeed Insights. guessing this site should be fairly quick. Website Carbon as well. Let's check the Carbon on there. And let's go back to the website and have a quick look at the site structure, technical SEO. What have we got? Oh, we've got quite a few little notes there. Oh, the structure. The headers are messed up. Yeah, so this should be in order. H1 obviously goes at the top, then you have H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 and so on. But here you've got H2s at the top, and then you've got a H1, wrong structure, and then it jumps to a H6 from H1, it stays on H6, then jumps to H4, and then jumps back out to H2. So these should be H2s. This should be a H3, and then back to H2. But yeah, a mess. Then you've got H2 to H5, H2 to H5, and again, this is quite an easy fix actually, but this is wrong. And then you've got a H6 there with way too much text for that header. Way too much text. That's a header text, and that should be body text really. That shouldn't be a header at all. That should be body text. Then you've got H2 and H6 sign up for email, which sign up for email probably shouldn't even be a H6, it would be a H2. Yeah, so the structure has not been done very nicely. Google's going to be thinking, in fact, all search is going to be thinking, what on earth is going on here with this website? Where is the hierarchy? What am I looking at? So that's not great. Anchor text is missing. Easy fix. Images, probably, what is it? Width and height. It's very common. Again, really easy fix that is. And then you've got social, something on the open graph is missing. Open graph type is missing as well. Simple fixes. I might have a quick look at any accessibility issues. Lots of contrast errors. Lots of different alerts, which we've just gone through. Alternative text, structural stuff. Bonkers, but anything here? Missing form label. Empty links. Linked image missing. Alt text. Yeah, so they're missing labels. Empty headings. Let's go back and have a look at the contrast. Where's the contrast errors? Okay, so it's saying that the text here is poor contrast on the white text, which it looks pretty. It's also contrast here. It looks very pretty and nice, but it would be poor contrast between the white and the green. But it might be difficult for people with a slight visual impairment or for colour blindness. The contrast might be a little bit too poor on that. But yeah, okay, should we have a look at switch that one off if we can. Let's have a look at page speed insights. Oh, that's still going. Oh, 3 seconds, so it's failed. Core Web Vitals, failed. Cumulative layout shift is nice, but largest contentful paints, 3 seconds. Performance 31, 11 seconds. 12 seconds to load the site. So we're going to have some code or something that is slowing down the site. Images. It's always the images, isn't it? So this just needs some optimization. These images, what's that an image of? Oh, that's just a tiny logo image, but it's 129k, which is ridiculously big. So the images need to be optimized on the site. Easy fix. CSS needs to be optimized. JavaScript needs to be optimized on the site, and that will help a lot. Let's have a quick look at GT metrics. B grade, that's good. That's really good. Image width and height is missing, as we've said. Let's quick look at the waterfall. But the images here taking days to load. These images taking days to load. And your fonts are taking days to load. These can be preloaded, so they load quicker in the browser, speeding up your site. You could probably get this to an A grade easy on GTmetrix. Let's have a look how dirty. It's good. It's got a C for carbon rating, which is great. And it's hosted on a sustainable energy server. So the server's using either water, wind, or solar energy to power the server. Great. Yeah, that's really good. Good performance. So yeah, overall, it's a pretty good website. It's nicely designed, nice and clear. Mobile view is a lot better than the desktop view. And we just need some work on the images and give it some optimization, I would say. These logos here need to be optimized. But yeah, good job. Good job, children.org.